Yes, hello everyone, and once again I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Yes, in today's video we are going to be looking at another Google application, but this time around we are going to be looking at Google Drive. Now, Google Drive is basically a cloud storage feature of Google that provides a virtual storage space for storage of data, be it videos, images, documents. All that information can be stored on the cloud space, and basically Google usually provides us with 15 GB of storage space. However, we can get more storage depending on how often we use our Google Drive to store data. So if you have your data and then you want to back it up, all your backups come to the Google Drive. Are you tired of losing documents whenever you steal your phone? Are you tired of losing your contacts? Whenever you have these contacts or documents backed up to Google Drive, you can always access them from anywhere because they are stored on a virtual space that can be accessed through your Google email. So whether this phone is stolen or your PC is stolen, you can always access that information online using your Google email. So, and we have the home bar here showing all the different files on our Google Drive. Then this is my drive. Now under my drive, it is showing us the different types of files that we could be having. So here we have type of file. What type of file are you looking for? Are you looking for a video? Are you looking for a PDF? Are you looking for an audio? Or are you looking for a form? That is within the your Google Drive. Of course, if you didn't upload a video on your Google Drive, you will not find it here. Let us see if we have any videos. So when you click on videos, they're saying no matching results. Why? Because my Google Drive does not have any videos uploaded, so I cannot find a video related content there. But when I click on documents, we have very many documents being embedded on my Google Drive. So we can add content to our Google Drive. How? We have this top left corner where we have a plus sign and then new, simply indicating add. So when I click on new, we have different folders, different options coming up in the drop down box. We have you want to add a new folder. So now you're creating a folder within your drive. No, I'm not creating a folder. I'm interested in uploading a file onto my Google Drive. So we have file upload and then folder uploader. So I think you can note the difference between the two: file upload and then folder upload. So file upload, you're basically uploading a file, and then folder upload, you're basically uploading a group of files, because a folder is a group of files, then a file is a collection of related data. So we have the two options. So depending on what you want to do, maybe I want to upload a file, you click on that and then you browse through your desktop or your PC to look for that particular file that you want to upload to your Google Drive. Maybe I want to upload MDD recipients. You can see here in the right bottom corner, it is saying that we are uploading one item and it has been upload complete. So you can see the uploaded file is here, MDD recipients.xls, which is an Excel file. So we can try to open that file. So when you open that file, it should be able to open up in Google Excel sheet, and our file is right there with our information. So basically that is it for uploading or adding information onto your Google Drive. So the same applies for any other data, maybe it's your pictures, your videos. You can always upload them onto your Google Drive so that they can be stored there permanently without you losing that without you losing access to that information, because Google Drive is, like we have said, Google Drive is a cloud space storage that can be accessed from anywhere, and it is very secure. So that is it for our video today. I urge you all to continue commenting and liking and subscribe as well, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.